back to my Python tutorial. This is a fundamental course. In this course, I will teach you everything, every fundamental thing that you will be needed to learn Python. Before going to the main part, let me tell you what is Python. As I have mentioned you that I will follow W3 schools to teach you the Python. I am describing what Python is from this website. Well, Python is a popular programming language. Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Actually, not only web applications, but also you can uh, use Python in several things such as machine learning, cybersecurity, and also you can make uh, Android applications uh, by using Python. In my point of view, Python is the most powerful programming language in the world. Although sometimes someone can be tell you that Python is very much slow, but do not trust them because let me tell you why Python is slow. Well, you know, Python is a most powerful programming language which will provide you lots of libraries regarding your need. Now, if this programming language is slow, then why should the world should use this? Actually, we have to learn the purpose of use this programming language. If we will use this programming language to make Android applications or desktop software development, then I think it will provide slow service. But if you will use different purpose such as machine learning or cybersecurity, then I don't think Python will give you a slow service. So, in my point of view, you have to understand the use of Python. That's it. So, if everyone will tell you that Python is very much slow, then you should tell them to learn the purpose of use a programming language. There are several programming languages for several purposes. You cannot use CSS in machine learning because CSS is for design purpose. That's it. And now I will dive into the deep section to learn to teach you the Python.